Hi friends, your host and host Mr. Devendra Singh once again in front of yourself. आपके सामने आज फिर एक बार लेसन नंबर 3 फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट बी अ गुड लिसनर लेकर आपके सामने पेश हुआ हूँ। इसमें आज हम देखने वाले हैं कि what is the duty and a responsibility and the prior duty of a listener, how to listen the speaker to understand him properly, and what to do while listening. So please wait and watch this, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for your upcoming videos. Our today's third lesson is be a good listener. In this lesson we are going to understand the various things. So here the starts. It is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language or when you are dealing with other peoples. Are you a good listener? You can find it out with the help of the following questions. Means if you are a good listener, but we don't know if you are a good listener or not, so how can we understand either we are a good listener or not? So while listening something, while learning a language, and when you are dealing with the peoples, so at that time you can check out yourself either you are a good listener or not. So for finding this we can go through and we will follow some questions to check out ourselves either we are a good listener or not. So question number 1, when you are listening to someone, do you look at the person or do you turn your head away or toy with the something else? Mean somebody is speaking in front of yourself at that time, are you listening to him? Or someone is talking with yourself at that time, you are looking at him or not? This is the valuable things and this is so important thing to understand yourself, either you are understanding him, either you are listening him or not. So these all things should be happen when you are listening. When you are listening to someone, you should concentrate yourself. You should not play with the toys or play something else while someone is telling something. Good listener looks at the speaker. So here is the one thing which we can improve ourselves to be a good listener. We should listen the speaker properly and we should look at him. Second, do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? जब स्पीकर बोलता है तो क्या उस समय आप उस पर ध्यान देते हैं? Good listener pays a close attention to the speaker. Means जब कोई हमारे सामने कुछ बोलता है, when somebody is talking with us, somebody is conversing, somebody is saying something to us, so at that time for being a good listener we should pay close attention to the speaker. कोई बोलता है, कोई बात करता है, हमसे कोई चीज़ समझा रहा है तो हमें उसकी तरफ ध्यान से सुनना चाहिए. तीसरा क्वेश्चन है, डू यू मेक एनी स्पेशल एफर्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्पीकर? स्पीकर जब कोई चीज़ बोल रहे हैं उसे समझने के लिए आप कुछ अलग ट्राई करते हो? यू ट्राइज एनीथिंग एल्स टू अंडरस्टैंड हिम इन अ बेटर वे? Oh, here are some of the things that will help you understand the speaker better. So some points are given below to how the things going to be help you or assist you to be a being good speaker or being a good listener. So here on we can see, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from the context. Means speaker is something or speaker tells something. So at that time if you find a new unfamiliar words तो try to guess their meaning from the context. जैसे आप कोई एपिसोड देखते हो, कोई पिक्चर देखते हो, कोई मूवी देखते हो, तो उस समय उसके आगे क्या होने वाला है इसका हम गैस लगाते हैं. वैसे ही someone is telling something or saying something as a speaker, so we should guess that thing. You can try to guess what the speaker will say next. The speaker is saying something, so what the next going to be happen? this should be realized by yourself, or this should be take by yourself as a good thing to understand the speaker. Try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker, or even when you disagree with the speaker. Wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying. Means you are standing in a group. There are 4 people are there, but one is telling something. So at that time, what you have to do? You should quietly listen him, because in between, if you interrupt him, you are not going to understand anything, and he is telling something but you are not understanding. So let it be finished, then after you can ask him what is your doubt. Wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying, then you can go with your doubts, clarify by asking polite question, so you can understand it with better way. By politely way you can ask your doubts to clarify it. आप आसानी से उसे समझ सकते हैं. Do not feel shy or afraid to ask question. Sometimes it happens. Teacher is teaching in the classroom. The students never ask anything because they shy, because they afraid of the teachers. कभी कभी आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता होगा. कोई टीचर आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं तो आप डरते हैं, शर्म करते हैं कि मैं पूछूंगा तो लोग मुझ पर हंसेंगे. इफ़ यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ बीइंग सेड, उन्होंने क्या कहा है आपको नहीं समझ में आया, तो पुट योर क्वेश्चन टू द स्पीकर पोलाइटली. इफ़ यू नॉट अंडरस्टूड एनीथिंग, सो देयर इज़ अ सिंपल solution for that is to put your question to the speaker politely. You can ask it politely to the speaker, then you can get your question answer very well. आप आसानी से उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर पा सकते हैं आप पोलाइटली अगर उनसे पूछते हैं तो. Sometime it happens, or sometime it helps to note down important words or point even as you listen. When you are sitting as a listener and somebody is speaking something, and if you think that this is an important thing, so you should write it down or note down in your notebook to revise it next. So it is also a better way to understand the speaker. Lastly, it also helps to keep thinking about what you heard. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or phrase later on. Means if you note down all the things, then after you can go through with the dictionaries and you can understand that meaning of that particular things what the speaker already said. So this way you can being a good listener. Here you can see some example is given over here to understand this better way. Please bring me the vase that has pink roses. It's on the dining table, the boy said to the girl. Vase means there are different type of meanings given, but you should understand the way of the speaker and you should choose the correct one. Here the first, a bed of roses. The second one is a frock, and third one is a kind of a pot. Means here you can see in the first picture bed of roses, there also are lots of roses. In second picture there is a rose, and third also having a rose on the frock. But what he said, please bring me the vase that has pink roses, it's on the dining table. So we never put the bed of roses on the dining table, we never used to put our frock on a dining table, but we kept always a kind of a pot that is called a vase. So here it is the thing, when you can understand and when you could be a right choice, you can select a right choice, when you will be a good listener. जब आप अच्छा सुनेंगे, सही सुनेंगे, तो आप सही मीनिंग लगा पाएंगे और आप करेक्ट आंसर दे पाएंगे. So some question answer. Write the characteristics of a good listener. Means to being a good listener, what the characteristics or what the features should be with you. So here answer, the characteristics of a good listener as follows. Look at the speaker first. Second, pay close attention to what speaker is saying. And more many, make special effort. What is the special effort to be a being good listener in the front of speaker? Asking questions politely at the end of the session. Don't feel shy while clarifying their doubts. Don't interrupt the speaker in between. And last, noting down the important things while listening and keep thinking about what they heard. Listen carefully and guess how the sentence would end. Once there was a cow. He was thirsty. He wanted to drink. What he wanted to drink? Some water. There were dark clouds in the sky. Soon it began to. If there is a cloud, so what he going to? It going to be a rain. Third, this step is broken. Please be. If the step is broken, so how should we be? We should be careful. Fourth, when the students saw the questions paper, they were shocked. Fifth, when the teacher read the newspaper, she was happy. So you can guess properly when you listen the question properly. Listen carefully and write all the words correctly. You are right. Write it down in the right hand corner.